Welcome back. This is Diecast Race Wars ZAMAC Tournament Heat 3. Let's look at the competitors in today's heat. First up we have the Golden L and the Olds 442. And Toon Tracks Racing driving the 71 Dodge Demon. The rules. The first car to win 3 races wins a spot in the semi-finals.
Race 1. Winner, the Golden L, the Olds 442. Replay.
Sneaky little manoeuvre by the Olds. This sets him up beautifully going into turn 1. Look at this driving. He goes down low, which gives him the opportunity to power down Mount Western Straight. Look at this, goes up high, uses all the track that's available. This guy reminds me of the Impala. Congratulations, the Golden L and the Olds 442. You get your first win in today's heat.
Race 2. Oh, some big stacks. That's a D and F. Let's go to the replay.
I thought it was a pretty good clean start, but they just get tangled up here and it's a bad stack. Wow, that's a bad stack, man. Let's go again.
Race 3. Winner, the Golden L again, the Olds 442. Replay.
Look at the Golden L just dominating Mount Western Raceway. Goes up high, look at this, he's just slipping and sliding, he's just having fun out there. Look at him, goes up high again and slams up the top. Toon Tracks just can't catch him, there's just no way, he just doesn't have the power. Well, it's the mighty Olds 442 with the Golden L behind the wheel. You get your second win, mate.
Race 4. D and F. Let's go again. Race 5. Winner, the Golden L and the Olds 442. Let's go to the replay.
It's the Golden L behind the wheel of the Olds 442 is just slamming into the track. He's not allowing Toon Tracks to overtake him at all. He wants this semi-final spot. Look at that driving. And Toon Tracks is gone. He's wiped out. And it's the Golden L and the Olds 442 just cleans Toon Track out of this competition completely. Congratulations, mate. You are through to the semi-finals. Congratulations, the Golden L and the Olds 442. We will see you in the semi-finals. And commiserations, Toon Track Racing in the 71 Dodge Demon. We'll see you in the race for 4th place. I'm Hot Car Track, and this is Diecast Race Wars. Thanks for watching.